class, as we have completed first part of the chapter number 4, now we are going to explain chapter number 4, the rest part, second part of the chapter, as we are talking about Mrs. Mary Kom. So in 2001, she came second in the women's world amateur boxing championship. In 2002, she entered again and came first. Mary Kom is often called Magnificent Mary because of her accomplishment. She has been the world amateur boxing champion 5 times. In 2012 Summer Olympic in the London, women boxing was allowed for the first time. Mary fought tirelessly and won the chance to represent India. Means in the Summer Olympic of London, it was first time when women were allowed in the boxing, and she represented to India. At the Olympic, Mary stayed focused through round after round and match after match until she won the bronze medal for India. Means she won bronze medal, means third prize for India in boxing. She secured her place in sport history. In the 2014 Asian Games, Mary became very more of the sensation when she won the gold medal in South Korea. Means again in Asian Games she won gold medal for India. In recognition of her achievement in 2013, Mary was awarded the Padma Bhushan, means just because of her hard work and these championship winning, she got Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, in the third highest civilian honor in India. Means Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award in India. She was previously awarded with Padma Shri in 2010 and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India most prestigious sport award. Means उनको क्या क्या मिला है? पद्म भूषण, पद्मश्री and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award. This is very prestigious award in the field of game or sport. Mary got married in 2005 and she and her husband have 3 sons. They live in Imphal as well as training arduously. Mary champion for various causes. She promotes animal rights. She encourages people to volunteer and work to improve their community. Community means she belongs to a ST field, but means you can say that means people who don't have very facility to work in such type of field and to get education. Means she belongs to very poor family and minority, but she worked hard to get success in her life, and now she is promoting other people in her community to improve, to get success in the life. Mary is passionate about promoting health and fitness. She teaches disadvantaged children how to box, thereby passing on the skill of determination, speed, agility, power, endurance and mental toughness. Means she is now teaching to disadvantaged children to get success in the life. You can learn more by watching the film about her life or reading her autobiography Unbreakable. Means there is a film autobiography on Mary Kom and Unbreakable. The name of the film is or Mary Kom and her autobiography is Unbreakable. Today Mary is a hero to Mary school children like you, but you must never forget that you too can become great one day if you do everything to the best of your ability and take the chances that are offered in your life. Means you can also get success in your life like Mary, but you have to work hard. So class, what is the motto of this chapter? This chapter is in your syllabus just because to tell you that you can get success, you can become great, but you must have to work hard in your life to get the success. So class, this is enough for today. What you have to write? You have to write word meaning in your copy, and I will send 10 hard words that you have to write in your copy.